Hello guys, welcome to That Shining Engineer. So today in this video we will talk about Infosys Virtual Internship Experience, my personal experience. I got selected for Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 5.0 for first batch. Was it in 2024 from August to December. They have 2 months of virtual internship. So first thing is they firstly send you mail if you get shortlisted. After that you have to get verified by them. Then they will send you the one Google Meet or Zoom link. Then they have like virtual, they check your IDs. You have to show your Aadhaar card or voter ID card or any like you are related to India and you are live in like your living proof. You can say that you have to show your college ID. You can say that you have to show your voter ID or Aadhaar card. You can show anything to them. Then after that successful verification, they will send you the mail of your guide and guide preference. Like they will send you the guide name and as well as your project name, which you have to complete by. So after that you got your mail, you got your subject, which thing you have to work on. After that from Monday to Friday, they will conduct your session from 6 to 7 o'clock in evening. After that, conducting the sessions, guide will guide you through all the things like what you have to do, what you have to make website, app, or anything like their project. You have to make this. Then there are milestone you have to cover. When you have to cover the milestone, they will give you announcement or they will share you mail the last date of your milestone to submit or this. Then you have to submit your milestone as well. Like milestone is not a big thing, like you have to complete that, but and you have to be regular attentive. You don't have to miss the lectures or miss the any session because it is compulsory. If suppose you have to like any urgent work, you can send your guide a mail like I am not today, I'm not presenting today, like I'm not working today with you, as like that, and there you go. Then you can get the leave. Then for that you have to submit your milestones time to time. You have to be attentive, you have to be predictive. Then after that, completing all this, you have to submit your project on last week maybe. You have to submit project from GitHub reciprocity or anything. They will, as per your guide, said that, and that's it. After that you will get your certificate of internship. And here's is a complete guide, like complete experience of my internship, how I do that, what is the working and what is it. And as I can say that my guide is very supportive. He didn't like say do this is, he teach us very well how to do that. We have to make a website, how to do that, and like what to do, what not to do. So you have to go as per your guide's preference and check your email regularly. That's it for today guys. If you have any query, you can comment down.